order of the day is a 7-Eleven, $8.50 going 4 miles. Thank you. Either this guy's preparing or he's starting early, but he's got 4 locos in this bag. Just scribble on that line for me. Good enough for me. Total ended up being $9.50. Small hidden tip on that one. Hopefully wasted enough time to get a peak pay order for my next one. Should be starting in about a minute now. All right, next order just came in. It is a Jack in the Box, $10.75 going 4 miles. There's a drink with it as well.
No drinks.
There's a drink.
Oh yeah. Right there you. There you go.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Does this look like a chocolate shake to you? Total ended up being $11.75. Small hidden tip on that one as well. Next order just came in. Kitchen Table Cafe, $9.75 going just under 6 miles.
I just have to appease.
Wow, I can probably point out every single ingredient in that bag right now. It is so fragrant, in a good way. Kind of accidentally kicked their food as I was dropping it off. Whoops. Finally got my next order. It is a Voodoo Donut, $7 going 3 miles. It's pretty slow, so hopefully I can bang this out before I get another DoorDash order. Thank you. Yep. Shop and deliver for Safeway, $13.50 going 3 miles, 9 items. Okay. I don't usually take shop and deliver orders with high item count, but it's slow enough to where I'm just gonna take this one. I think so, yeah. Yeah.
All right, perfect.
Thank you so much. This one took way too long. Of course, it's upstairs. It's always upstairs. All right, last order for this peak pay. Victor Rico's, $9.75 going like 4 miles. Thank you. You too. Next order just came in. It's a McDonald's, $8 going about 2 miles. Thank you. Looks like my next order finally came in. It is a shop and deliver for alcohol, $11 for 2 miles, 4 items. Looks like it's all White Claws. Should be pretty easy if everything is in stock, but that's a toss-up considering it's New Year's Eve. Excuse me, right behind you.
How are you?
Good. Then just scribble on that for me. Good enough.
Work.
Next up is a shop and deliver for Target. $11.25 going less than 4 miles, 5 items. I'm not gonna give him that. It's a shop and deliver for alcohol. $12 going about 4 miles. Only one item. Hey, how's it going?
Hey, pretty good.
And just scribble on that line for me. Good enough for me. All right, and on that note, I'm gonna be calling it a day. Current time is 11:59. Current total, I believe, should be 103 after that one. So that's gonna be the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.